Bitcoin weekly update. Today is April 19th, 2026. Going to do the weekly update. So we're going to start with the top-down analysis. First we're going to start with the monthly time. And then we got price action going positive, bullish up. Then we had it cross down and plummet on November, December, January, February, March. Seems to be a compressed candle. And now in April, we're in the middle of April, or a little bit over in the middle, and we're pumping back up. See if we can get above, and we actually did get above the previous candle in March. So that could be a reversal sign. And this is a good marker because it hit these guys and bounced above it, showing a floor, a support level around this area right here. On a weekly time frame, price action's running up, went over, but then we got lower highs. And see if this high can get above this high is going to be the thing we're going to look on a weekly. But so far it's showing this high is getting above this high right here, showing some strength. But this, so, and these lows are a little higher as well too, so it's showing some strength coming back up here. On a daily time frame, price action going up, these lower highs and these lower lows as well. But this we're at a moment in time right here going, and we're going to see if this is going to get above or below this very pivotal line right here. So it's going to be a support or resistance. We'll see how it flips in this week to come. Down to the 1 hour. Got a dip. Then it's just going sideways. Accumulation, basically. So let's see if we can have a manipulation around here and maybe a pump up or a pump to the downside is the question. If we include the trend lines, we have action line here that actually got crossed. This 4-hour action line. And if you went back, it went connected a previous high all the way back to up here. So connection all the way down here. And we'll see if it holds true, and it did. Price action went above this action line, and now see if it comes back down, see if it bounces above it and retests it. It'll be a sign of definite strength that there might be a change in the trend going on from bearish to bullish. And we got this accumulation going. We're all inside this box, and we actually poked outside the box but came back in. Let's see if we poke it back again and get above it. We are just right on the 200 MA, so not sure which way it's going to go from there, but if it bounces off these safety lines, this might be a good pumping part. And we'll have to see how it goes with these vertical lines, which are the news drivers, which are these guys from Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. All these guys. The biggest one is going to be retail sales here on Tuesday. And the trimmed mean CPI. These can cause some movement. They're high impact news for this day right here. So we'll have to see if it responds. If it does respond, see if it goes to the upside, or hits down to retest here and then bounce back up, or this keeps on falling? That's the question. But overall, we have sideways action, some hope above this 400, this long standing 4-hour action line here. So we have some hopes for some bullishness, especially this past few days. So we'll just keep an eye on it and see how this economic news affects it for Bitcoin on April 19th, 2026.